Welcome to Lena Love, where Lena does all the stuff Lena loves.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lena Love, and I got a pretty cool video for you today. So in today's video, I'm gonna let y'all know the 8 home gym tips that really work and show you how I set up my own home gym. So first thing first, before you do anything, make sure you find the perfect space. This might be your basement, your garage, a spare room, or part of your living room or bedroom. Once you make it up in your mind that you want to work out at home, I say do whatever it takes to make it happen. So this is the space that I decided to use for my home gym. Honestly, I don't know what else I would have even done with this space. I guess it's supposed to be a formal dining room, but I already have an actual dining room and an eat-in kitchen area. So naturally, this just had to be my gym. To make it the perfect space, I switched the chandelier out for this light. So once you found the perfect space, it's time to figure out what you can actually do with that space. Maybe you want something bold and simplistic. Maybe you want something urban and intense feeling. You can even set your gym up like a nightclub. Whatever you choose, make sure it's something that you love. Somewhere you can focus and get work done. So y'all won't even believe my inspiration. My inspiration is a canopy bed. And I know you're thinking, how can that be? Well, long story short, when I was 6 years old, I went over to my friend's house and she had a canopy bed. I loved it. It's pretty much the only thing I can remember. When I got home, I told my mom, hey, you gotta get me one of them canopy beds. And you know what she said? Lena, you already have a bed. And it was really nice. It was pretty and yellow, so I didn't press the issue. But it's something that always stayed in my mind. Now that I'm an adult, I know I could just go buy me a canopy bed if I really want one, but it's just not my style right now. So I thought about doing the next best thing, which is having the feel of a canopy bed with those beautiful sheer white curtains just blowing in the wind surrounding me. So I want to show you guys a hack really quick. This is just a quick way to save money on curtain rods. So for these curtains that I put in front of the window, these are blackout curtains, so I actually had to buy real sturdy curtains. But I'm about to hang up these sheer curtains all against this back wall. Sheer curtains hardly weigh anything, so here's a quick hack. So I have some string, a pencil, and some tape. So all you're going to do is just get the string, attach it to the pencil with some tape, take your curtain and string the pencil through the curtain. Now my curtain is on a string and you can just hang it up like this with some push pins. I'm going to use clear so you can't see them. So I'm about to go ahead and finish that and let's see how it turns out. Alright y'all, so this is an important one. Unless you live out in the middle of nowhere with no houses around you, I'm talking to you. The last thing you want to do is spend your money on all this stuff to set up your nice little home gym and have complaints from neighbors. So you might need to put up soundproofing. You could also put down some bumper plates, which will help muffle the sound if you ever drop some weights. I opted for some rubber flooring. It muffles the sound if I drop weights, but it also adds cushion and absorbs shock, which helps out your feet, ankles, knees, hips, back, and your tailbone when you're doing sit-ups. Rubber flooring also helps so you don't have to worry about your feet slipping and sliding when you're working out. Alright, so y'all see the floors. I'm not even gonna tell y'all where I got them from because it really made me upset. I ordered 2 boxes of these rubber flooring tiles in the same color, and as you can see, they came completely different. But unfortunately, I let these boxes sit to the side too long and it was way too late to exchange them. It doesn't look that bad, but it's pretty unfortunate. The plus side is that they do what they need to do. So every gym has mirrors for a reason. It allows you to see your form and improve on it. So I went ahead and installed my own mirror. Alright y'all, so this next one is pretty important too. You want to make sure you have storage for all of your equipment, especially if you're working with a smaller space. When you get tired, you lose focus and it's way more likely for you to trip over something and hurt yourself. So you gotta have everything up out the floor and out of the way. So here's what I'm using for storage. If you watched my living room makeover, you might remember I have one of these towers in there. Please be sure to check out that video if you haven't yet. So I just shortened the tower and this became the perfect space for all of my gym accessories. So now we're talking entertainment, baby. Anyone who's ever worked out before knows entertainment is the most important thing. If I ever went to the gym and forgot my headphones, I just went right on back home. If I get tired of listening to the same songs over and over and I don't have time to find new songs, one thing that I love doing now is just finding a 30 or a 60-minute video. So get your speakers or TV and make your perfect workout playlist so you can make it through them workouts. So I just have this Bluetooth speaker so I can listen to music and this tablet so I can watch Netflix. A big tip for home gyms is to get multi-purpose equipment so you can maximize your space. Chances are you just don't have the space like public gyms, with space for tons of dumbbells and basically a separate machine for every muscle group. So I have these adjustable dumbbells and I just add on however much weight I need. This option is a great space saver. I also have a barbell with adjustable weights. So this is an adjustable kettlebell. It came with 2 attachments for standard and Olympic weight plates. It's for the size of the hole in the weight. Just add however much weight you want and I promise you it's a lot better than taking up lots of space with multiple kettlebells. I have this elliptical and weight bench. The elliptical gives me a full body workout and is a great way to burn calories. Oh, and the weight bench? It has more uses than I even know right now. Last but not least, baby, get you a fan. While working out, it can quickly feel like a sauna. So make sure you have a nice cool breeze so you can make it through those workouts. So I got this fan from Amazon and I think it's perfect for my gym. It's an oscillating fan and it's also adjustable by height. Now it has 3 speeds like a regular fan, but it also has a timer and a remote you can use. I love having the idea of a remote for my fan. That way I can turn it up when I need to. Alright y'all, so here's the final reveal. Here's the before.
It's not that I don't want you here.
And here's the after.
It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes on replay.
I really hope I was able to give you guys some tips to set up your own home gym. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me one of them likes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments and please subscribe because I got a lot of pretty more cool videos to come.